Hi guys, so all you need today for this project is pencil, needle, fabric, and a cutting scissor and a circle thingy if you have. So for this, all you need to do, go around the circle on the fabric with your pencil and just keep on cutting and make 6 of these. And you need a scissor, you just cut it off, all of them, all around, and there we go. So you need 6 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I have 6 of circles, and my circles are just little ones. And now that we just have our circle, we're gonna try to make it into a little triangle, so you fold it 2 times. So now you just put all of them in pins, so it's all nice into a little triangle. Put all of them, 6 of them, in a triangle, and then you're gonna start to assemble them and start stitching them. So you just get one and you start on the corner of it, and then just stitch it really well, small stitches. So you do need to leave just a little tail, because you're gonna pull at the end, pull all of them together. And yeah, and you're just gonna start doing that for all of your 6 pieces. You just join them together and chain them. So I'm gonna start with the next one, and it will look really nice. And for doing a little flower like this, it will only take like 5 minutes. So here we go, that's mine. And yeah, so you can see I'm counting all of them. Now you just have to pull it together, and then you just tie a knot, a really tight knot, and then you'll end up into a little circle in the middle, which you need to fill it up with something at least. So I used some fabric, which we'll cut it soon, and we'll be showing you how. I'm a bit struggling with this because the fabric was a little bit too thick for me to just to join them together, and it wasn't going that well. But at the end I did manage to make it in some sort of shape. And then I used a little bit of fabric, which I so as you can see, it looks really nice. You can use it for headbands, you can use it for other things, but if you want to watch more, I will be adding this flower into another project, which I will be sharing with you soon, because I haven't finished it yet. And yeah, we'll see what I can do. So as I showed you with that the other flower, now you need to cut a circle fabric a bit bigger than the other circle. And I had a few go of cutting a circle, but it didn't turn out really nice, so I did a little bit bigger than this one, and I sewed all around it. I'm leaving about 50, just about little bits of edge, so when it goes under it, it will just go inside the flower, so you can't really see it. So as you can see, I'm just trying to sew all around it, and you can see that I'm just trying to sew it all together. That's and yeah, if you're watching this video and you want to see more, and I'll be just leave a comment, and yeah, what you want to see, because I really want to do more sewing tutorials and show you how what I know, and show you guys, and you guys learn something, and you guys make something, and you know. So yeah, so this one is DIY. I just had some scrap fabric around, laying around, so I was like, oh, let's do this. So now that I did that, we're going to do the stitching on the flower. So you just go in and out of near the edges. You just go in and out, and just catch the edges as you go. And yeah, but this one, the circle that I made, it was a bit small, so I went off camera, made it a little bit bigger. So finally I did it. So as you guys can see, it's all done. It looks really nice, and I kind of enjoyed doing it as well, because I might make more of it and show you how to use it. And yeah, I hope that you all enjoyed it, and leave a comment and like it. Please subscribe, because I'm new, and maybe if you want, I'm not gonna force you guys. Okay, that's about it, I think. Thank you. Have a good day.